Kumpirmadong sa March 26 na ipapalabas sa mga sinihan worldwide ang inaabangang first Kim Pang movie na My Love Will Make You Disappear. Sa nilabas na official statement ng Star Cinema ngayong araw, ay sinabi at ipinaliwanag nila ang tungkol sa new playdate ng movie ni Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino. As part of Star Cinema's commitment to bringing Philippine films to a global audience, we are excited to announce the new playdate for the much-anticipated romantic comedy My Love Will Make You Disappear, starring Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino. The film will now appear in cinemas worldwide starting March 26. Ayon pa sa kanila, may kinalaman ng pagbabago ng playdate sa pag-distribute ng pelikula sa North American market. The move comes in light of new developments and exciting opportunities to expand into the North American market. We are happy to share that global theatrical distributor Abramorama and award-winning international entertainment marketing firm are collaborating again with Star Cinema in bringing the beautiful story to even more viewers as they believe in the film's universal appeal that can captivate a broader audience. Sa ngayon ay wala pang pahayag sina Kim at Paolo tungkol sa pag-usod ng playdate ng movie nila. Hindi pa rin nila ito sinishare o nire-repost at hindi rin sila nakatag sa Instagram post ng Star Cinema.